Okay, so this last video is going to show you how to preview your writing portfolio, as well as publish it and share it with your teacher or whomever you need to share it with. So first of all, you might want to go through at any point in this process and preview your page. I do this periodically just to check to make sure that links that I've created work, to make sure that documents that I have inserted are viewable to other people. So I'm going to go up here to preview and click on that. And this takes me to the page that everybody else will see once they get the link. So I kind of will hover over different things, make sure that the links work. So this works. I'll click on timed writing. I can see the different pieces that we have uploaded. Everything looks good. So I just kind of go through step by step and look and make sure all the work that I've done is showing up how it's supposed to show up. And then I'm going to click on Exit Preview. At any point in this process, if you're ready for someone to view your page, even if it's just that your teacher wants to check that you've created this page, you need to click on Publish, and this actually gives you your web address. So it's going to all start, they're all going to start with this sites.google.com/alvinisd.net/, and this is where you need to make up your own personal ending to this web address. So I would recommend some form of your name. Don't just put your first name, because those, some are more common than others. So I'm going to put just for here, KGay Writing Portfolio, and I'm going to put Sample 2, because this is the second one I've done. Make sure that it says anyone at Alvin ISD can view your site, and then click on Publish. Even if you've clicked on Publish, you can still go back and edit things. You can add things. Even if the very first step that you do is just to create your English 1 page, you need to publish it so that your teacher can check, but you can always go back and add to it. That doesn't matter. If you don't feel comfortable, you can click on this little arrow and do Unpublish. It's up to you, but just it has to be published for someone to view it. So then, if you want to share this with your teacher, you're going to go up to this little plus button, or person with the plus, share with others, and click on that. This is where you're going to invite your teacher to view your page. So I'm going to type in kgay@alvinisd.net. That's my email. And then this is up to your teacher. But again, I don't want 200 emails from Google telling me that these people have shared their portfolio with me. So I'm going to unselect Notify People. But you need to ask your teacher if they want that or not first. Then I'm going to click OK. Again, skip sending invitations, OK. And now it has been shared with the teacher. And then you're done. You're done sharing it. You can go back and continue editing. That's not a one and done thing, just like with Publish. But that's all there is to sharing your writing portfolio.